Hi, this is Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm just going to do a short video to show you how to use TRW fonts, the Rhinestone World, their fonts, and to determine and make sure your circles are the right size. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is click on text. Got to get right on there. Okay, so we have our text highlighted, and I'm going to click on font, and I'm going to type in the box TRW, and then I'm going to search. And as you see, I have 5 different ones. This one here, TRW Cleanstone, is a free one that you can download from their site just to try it. But I'm going to actually go with the TRW Headline BTTF-RF. And that's going to make my text look like rhinestones. So I'm going to, I guess I'll just leave it as text, the word text. Okay? So now these numbers are very important. 6.289, 2.199. And if you look up here, you'll see the same thing. The size says width and height, and that's what we have. All of the rhinestones that you're going to be using, whether it's 3 millimeter or what have you, has a certain height and width. And I do know for 3 millimeter, it's 0.135. So in order for these to print out with the 10SS that we want, then we have to change these numbers to reflect that. Okay? But first, let's see what it already is. So with that highlighted, I'm going to weld it. And then I'm going to click on it again, and I'm going to hit contour. And this may take a couple seconds. It's thinking about it. I love TRW fonts. I love just having, a font on my computer. So whenever I want to make rhinestones really quickly, a word, I can just use the font and make the word out real quickly. Because a lot of t-shirts, when you're doing them, people just want their name on them. And so it's very easy to do if you just have the fonts. Okay, so it did pop up. And now we want to hit hide all contours. When you do that, it'll just leave one circle highlighted. And that's what we want. So we're going to exit out. And then it'll leave one circle on your desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change these numbers. See, it says 0.19, 0.19. We want it to be 0.135. So we're just going to change that to 35, and we're going to hit enter, and it should change the other one too. There it is. Both of them now say 0.135. So now all of our circles will be that. So we need to go back to contour and wait again. I don't know why it's so slow. It used to go really fast, but lately it's been slow. But when it comes up, we will be doing show all contours, and that will bring all of our circles back, and they will all be 3 millimeter. So if you haven't checked out TRW website, you can go on there and find lots of fonts in rhinestones. And be careful, because each one will only go to a certain height, if I'm not mistaken. So make sure if you purchase one, read everything that comes with it, because it'll tell you what's the size of this font. Some of them are 2 inches, some are 2.5 inches. So you have to pay attention to that. Some of them are, you get the whole alphabet, either uppercase or lowercase, or you might get both. It just depends on what you paid for. Okay, so now we want to say show all contours, and then we want to exit out. Now, all of our circles should be in the 3 millimeter range. And so all we would have to do now is go make it, and it'll put it on our mat. We have to select on mat and then continue. And I'm using the Explorer 2. Okay. And so then if we had this cut on the Cricut, it would cut out and you would be able to use these and put 10SS rhinestones in there. That's all I have for you today. I just want to show you how to do that. It's so simple and easy. So if you're just making t-shirts or something with rhinestones on there and you just want to, you know, make sure the rhinestones are the right diameter, then this is how you do it. And if you go on TRW's website, or you could just Google what are the dimensions for the rhinestones you're using. It'll also tell you the numbers to put in. So what I did today was just for the 3mm 10SS rhinestones. And I showed you how to check to make sure all of the rhinestones are that size. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my videos. My channel is very new. I try to do everything in a few steps so that you can watch, learn really quickly, and start designing. Because I know sometimes I watch videos and they go on and on about other stuff, and you're like, well, what exactly, when am I going to learn what you said we were going to learn? So I try to make them short and sweet. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.